Number one, guys. Oh, there we go. Hello people from YouTube and all over the world. Hello mis amigos. This is Raul Garcia fishing in outdoors again. Tim is back with me. I got Sonny and Oscar here. They switched spots today. They wanna be different today. So anyway, hola a todos mis amigos en español. Raúl García de vuelta con otro video. Hoy voy a tratar de hacer el challenge. Escuchaste bien, Perez. Voy a ir a pescar por 1 hora a ver cuántas truchas sacamos. So for those people in English, we're gonna try to do our challenge today. We're gonna try to go fish the trouts for 1 hour and see how many can we catch. Hopefully we can beat Perez with this challenge that we have. I got my team here. They're supporting me today, so our plan is to go fishing and do the challenge for 1 hour. Then after that we just gotta fish, and hopefully we can get a fish enough so we can cook. We're gonna do another casting. So stay tuned and see you in the water. Para los amigos en español, pues esperamos hacer el video del challenge y esperamos hacer el video de pescar. Vamos a pescar los niños y yo, y vamos a ver si podemos cocinar unas truchas ahí en el parque otra vez. Nos vemos en el agua. Bye. Hey guys, so we're in the park, so we're gonna start the challenge today. 1 hour fishing. I'm gonna tell the phone here so you guys are clear. Oscar is gonna start counting the fishes for me, and let's see. Good luck everybody. Good luck Perez. Hopefully I can beat you up on this challenge and win. Okay, so we're gonna start the timer here. As you can see, I'm not sure if you are good to see. I'm gonna tell, okay Google, set the timer for 1 hour. Okay, so the timer is here and it's starting now. So as you guys can see, it's 1 hour timer, and this one will let me know when it's the time. So let's fish on. I'm gonna set up my rod first right away here. And today we're gonna be using worms. I got my pliers here. Okay, got everything. I'm gonna make sure that this is barbless, which is already. We got it. And then let's start fishing, guys. Gonna start with a worm right away. So good luck Perez, fair game, and let's move on to our first cast. You can see my helpers there, Oscar, Sonny. So let's move on. There's the first worm. Make sure to move that away and wish me luck. First cast of this challenge. I'm gonna go farther this end. There we go. It's a little windy, so hopefully the worms don't get spooked by that. So far I just had one bite. Other than that, nothing else. Hopefully we can get one right away here so we can feel the action. Oh, that was a bite. That was a bite right there, guys. Okay, and I saw one jumping over there. So the worm's still there. Yeah, I saw it there. I saw it jump there. Yeah, we'll see. Action star. Already. That's good, that's good. Good to know we got action in here. Feels nice that bite, guys. You know how your heart start pumping when you get a bite, eh? So that's how I feel right now. So we're about 10 minutes fishing, guys, and I haven't had a single bite. Well, I have 2 bites, but no fish yet. So let's continue. Let's see. Oh, number 1, guys. Oh, there we go. Turn on the net, guys. First number 1. Oh yeah, boy. Come here, baby. Number 1, number 1. Number 1, number 1.
Where is it?
He's coming, buddy. Oh, 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 oh. Where are you going, buddy? You turn on the net?
Leopard.
Nice. A baby one. Number 1.
Can I?
Oh, we're gonna release it.
Face.
The face. Come here.
Got the pliers, got the pliers, got the like right in the face, no cheek.
On the cheek, eh?
I think that doesn't even need pliers.
I think I will, Oscar. Oh, there you go. So,
Wait,
number 1.
It has a tag on it.
Is it?
It has a tag in the inside
Where?
of its mouth.
No, it's some fish. So we're gonna release it so we can continue fishing. Okay.
There we go.
Number 1.
There we go.
Nice. Good job, guys.
Woo.
Great. So that was their number 1, guys.
Whoa, number 1.
So let's continue with numbers 2. So we have our first fish. It was a tiny one, definitely not a keeper. So we're number 1. Number 1. So come on, guys, get me the other one. Not yet. Just watch the worm, buddy. Oh, second one. Second. Number 2. Oh yeah, boy.
Woo! I think that's a keeper.
Number 2. It is fighting though. You okay, Oscar?
Thanks, Oscar, for a big one.
Oh, lost it! No! It didn't count. It doesn't count.
Big one.
It doesn't count. He has to touch it.
Doesn't count.
Ah. Oh boy.
Dad,
Yeah. Oh, he lost it. Doesn't count. I need to touch it, and that. So I just lost the second one. Oh. Yeah. So let's see in there. They're jumping. They're happy. They're eating. Let's see. Number 2 is gone, guys. No.
what is it, number 2?
I think I just lost the tension. That's why. And the hooks are like a barblet, so that also doesn't help. And the point to have barblets is so we can release them and don't damage them so bad. So
In case they're small.
yeah.
But,
Oh, we're getting bites, guys.
ooh, I knew that was a bit.
Getting bites, guys.
Okay.
So I'll keep you posted, guys. We're having so far. So we got 43 minutes to go, guys. I had one fish, one I lost it, and I'm having some bites, but that's pretty much it, guys. We are 15 minutes fishing. So let's see. Come on, fishy fishes. Come on, fishy fishes. Yeah, can you call them also, Sunny? Need your help.
Oh, one right over there.
Close to the dam? Okay, let's try it there. And there you go. Right there.
Yeah, close there.
If I got one, Sunny, call it. That's count for Sunny.
What?
If I got one there, it counts for you. Come on. Come on. As you know, this pond is beautiful. So nice days, a little windy, but no complaints. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful day. So I haven't had any bites since the last one here. And where are we at now? We are at 34 minutes to go, guys. 34 minutes to go. So you guys can see here, let me show you quick. 34 minutes to go. Come on, fishies. I need a couple more at least. Exactly, I cannot just leave one. That'd be embarrassing. I don't want to wear a mask all day. Yeah, I hope so. I hope so, Perez. Yeah. Oh, that's Sunny. He just threw a rock in there. Can you not do that, please? Yeah. Thank you, buddy. I saw one jumping over there, and I saw one jumping there. Come on, guys. Come on, fishy, 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 fishy. Oh, thank you. I got 28 minutes, guys, and this is not looking good. Not looking good. I need to do something else. I need to do something else because I only have one fish, and this is not possible. So back to the fishing. They are nibbled the new worm. I just changed the worm. Maybe that was, they don't like that old worm maybe. Come on, I need a couple more. It's like 18 minutes to go, guys. 18 minutes to go. I need to have at least 2 more fish before this end. If not, this is gonna be embarrassing.
Imagine when it's 5 minutes, you catch like 20 fish.
That'd be awesome, but no, I don't think so, buddy.
What if you lose the challenge that you made up?
Oh, that'd be embarrassing. I need to win.
It's like you made up the challenge.
Thanks for cheering me up, buddy. That's so helpful.
What?
Wow. What about if you lose? What does that mean? No, I'm gonna win. I still have time. Oh, it's not looking good for me, guys. My only hopes for now is that Perez only catch one or nothing when he goes fishing. Still have time. I'm not giving up, but it's just not looking good. Not looking good. Hopefully. What'd you say, Oscar? Come on, guys. You never let me down. Why now? Where are you, trouts? Where are you?
What'd you say?
The trouts never let me down, and this time it's letting me down. They're feeling nervous or shy, or what's going on, trouts? Tell me, how you guys feel? Look at one is just jumping there. Come on, buddy. Go get this juicy one.
Why can't you and me?
Just leaving this camera on, guys, for now. So 9 minutes to go. And nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Oh well. Oh well. At least after this we're gonna stay fishing for longer, but for now that's all we'll do.
But you win.
I don't know. 9 minutes to go, guys. Come on. Give me something fishy. Give me something. Need something. Come on. Come on.
Some chips here so the fish get it.
No, thank you, buddy. It's okay. Thank you. I only have 6 minutes left, guys. This is not looking good.
Remember I said in 5 minutes you might catch like 1,000 fish?
I hope so, Sonny.
Yuppers.
Let's see. Come on, fishies. Where are you today?
I really want my wish to come true because then you could win.
I need one at least. One more, guys.
Or 20 more would be even better.
Oh, that'd be way better, but I doubt it, buddy. Let's be realistic. Nothing is gonna come late. Look at, there is jumping one. He's making fun of me. I'm gonna get you. There.
I saw a fish go close to your lure.
I hope so, buddy. Come on, fishies. Get it. Go get it. So this is how much is left. 5 minutes, guys. This is getting a little tension here. Little tension. Come on.
Get 1,000 more fish or some more fish, like 5 more fish.
That'd be awesome. Come on, guys.
5
Need one
fish.
more fish.
Means 5 fish in 5
One more
minutes
fish.
would be perfect.
With one, I'm happy, son. Just one.
One humongous one would be even better.
Why did I do this?
Why did you make this challenge?
Yeah.
You said,
Why?
Why would, like, next time you should
Oh
say
well, it's part of the fun, guys.
next time you should say, has to stay up all night or something like that.
Yeah.
Instead of wearing a mask the entire day. That'd be super hard to do.
Yeah. Oh, come on. I had one there. I had one there. Come on, come back, come back. Come back, little boy.
Come back, fishes! Girls, I'll
Shivers.
that fish with my own bare hands.
Oh, he was right there, guys. Come on. Perez me está pegando, me va a ganar este reto. Nomás he sacado uno, señores. Uno. Y uno se peló, Baltasar. Y ahorita acabo de perder uno ahí. Come on, buddy boy. Come and get it. Come and get it. How much we have left, guys?
You say 1,000 minutes?
3 minutes, guys. Uh-oh. I'm gonna do my last cast. And that's it, guys. I think, let's face it, it's just gonna be one fish today.
Well, just use one and I know you're gonna get 1,000 fish.
After this, I'm sure they're gonna start biting, but
Yeah.
for now, I got 3 minutes left, guys. Come on, fishy. One more, please. One more.
One more would be his wish.
Yeah, one more, please.
Look it. I have 5 fingers.
Bite him,
crossed.
bite him, bite him, bite him.
Ooh. Come on, fishy. Eat it.
Come on.
Eat it so you can have the best time of your life and you can win the game.
One more.
And look at Perez making fun of you. One just jumped right there.
Right there, eh? Yeah. I'm gonna get it. Hold on. I need you to do me a favor, Sonny. Here.
Yeah.
Hold the phone and tell me how much. 2 minutes.
Okay.
Done.
So, 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes. Okay. Okay.
You need to be safe.
Come on.
Oh, darn it. It's still gonna come down to 1 minute.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Oh, I can see it. Oh.
Oh, they stole the worm. Dang it. How much, Sonny?
1 minute.
Okay. I think I can get something there. Come on.
Seriously.
1 minute.
I need you to win the challenge.
How much, Sonny?
1 minute.
One.
Somebody just sent a message. It said,
That's okay. That's okay. Just hold on. Let's do it.
You know, I'm sweating really bad.
Don't sweat. Come here. We're gonna get him. Let me see the time. Okay. 1 minute, guys. A bite. I got a bite there.
Come on. Fish, if you do bite or you catch it, we would be super proud and screaming. And then we could leave you.
One fish. It counts.
He just
It counts. 2 fish.
Perfect.
2 fish and it counts.
Wait, can I
2 fish
can I
and it counts.
hold it?
No, I got to release it, Marisa.
I need to hold it.
Nobody. I need to release it.
No, I want to hold it.
Look at that. 2 fishes and that's all.
I want to see it.
Buddy.
Okay,
Okay, let's release it.
that's super cool.
Ah, so time is over, guys. I think. Yep.
33 seconds.
It's 33 seconds. I don't think so, buddy. But I got 2 fishes. Doesn't matter. Size doesn't matter in this game. How much seconds, Ari?
20 seconds.
One more.
Come on.
One more.
No, 2 more, and we would squeeze that, and we could make it.
Okay. How much? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
We don't make it.
2. Time is over, guys. Time is over. Thank you. So the time is over, guys. Oh.
I thought you had a fish.
Oh. So we had 2 fish for today only, guys. So guys, I had 2 fishes only, and that's all for today. So my only hope is that Perez doesn't catch any fish.
Or 1 fish would
Or
be
1
okay.
fish. Yeah, so this is for today's challenge. Now we're gonna wait for Perez answers and see who won. Now we're gonna go fish, the boys and I. We're gonna make another video from that. So let's go.